What's up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be doing a little application, a simple application with Windows Form. So this should be pretty easy and cool all at the same time. So I got my form already open. Let's go to Tools. Let's go. What we need the button right here. We get a button, and also we're going to change the text of the button. We're going to say click here, click here, boom, we got it. And let's move over here to the side, and then we need the level, which is going to be right there. And that level, we don't need anything because that's we want to print that text to there. So now if we go click here, that should give us to the code behind it, to the button, to the event. And now right here we're going to say level 1, that going to say text equals to what we need. We want to say, well, we're going to say good morning, because it's already what time, like 2:19. I should be sleeping by now because I gotta get up pretty early, like 6:30, to go to work. All right, so now if we run this program, let's execute it, and then we should see, okay, I'm gonna take a second. My computer's a little bit slow today, but we're going there. So if we click in this button, it should give us that text, a string that we like, good morning. Let's see. Yeah, we got good morning. Cool, that worked pretty good. Pretty cool. So now, going back to the designer right here, to the form, to the design. So right here, let's add 3 more buttons. 1, 2, and 3. What we want is the following. So each button is going to have a function right here. So button number 2, let's change it to what we want to get. For button number 2, we want to get the color of the text. Okay, let's do that. Let's just say what color do we want? Let's just say red. Okay, so if they click that button, it's going to be a red color. What about button number 3? Button number 3, we want to change the font. Let's see that. Let's just put font, enter, cool. And then button number 4, oh crap. Okay, button number 4 is going to be for the, I could fix it right there. Can go back. Yeah, let's just keep it like that. So button number 4 is going to be for the background. Okay, actually, yeah, what is, wait, what happened? Let's go back, bro. Oh yeah, I didn't change. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Let's just go back here. Let's just do Control C. Boom. Yes. Okay, that's gone. Let's go back over here. Yeah, let's go back again. Let's just do it again. Let's add 3 buttons right here. Boom. 2, and 1 more. Okay, that's going to be, it's going to be red, and this one is going to be font. There's going to be font. Oh, come on, bro. Font. Okay, now the last one is going to be background. Background. Boom. Let's, okay, cool. So now, so let's click on red. Let's go back. Let's click on font, and let's go back. Let's click on background. Okay, now what we need to do in here is the button number 2. We're going to change the color, right, or the text. So we're going to say level which is going to be 1 again. It's going to be 1 that for color, and then we have equals, we get system that drawing color. We don't want white, it's going to be red. Let's change that color to red. That work. Now right here we're going to change the font, so which is going to be level 1. No, not that one, honey, no, that one. Level 1 that we're going to say font equals to new font, and then open and close parentheses, and then semicolon, and then here we're going to pass some parameters. We're going to say Arial, and then we'll say comma. We want this to have 30 font size, and then we want the font style is going to be bold. Let's just do bold. Okay, and then for the last one we want to change the background, right, which is button number 4, and here we're going to say back color, I'm going to say equals, I'm going to say color that from RGB. Okay, cool beans. So we're going to say 255 232 232 232. Okay, all right, so let's save it and run the program. Let's see what we got. Okay, all right, so let's click here. So good morning. So let's change the color. It's going to be red. We want the font. Oh wow, that worked. And then we want a background for the form, pink. Alrighty guys, so that was pretty good. Hopefully this helped you on your journey. Yeah, it was a simple application. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady. Alright, see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.